When does material limitation become a lawyer conflict of interest? Imagine you're hiring a lawyer for a personal injury case, and suddenly you find out they're also representing someone with a conflicting claim. That's where understanding when a material limitation turns into a conflict of interest becomes really important. A material limitation conflict happens when a lawyer's other responsibilities or interests significantly restrict their ability to give you independent, honest advice. It's not about being directly against you, but about whether their other duties could interfere with their judgment. For example, if a lawyer is working for two clients whose claims might clash, like two people hurt in the same accident but with different goals, that's a potential conflict. In personal injury law, conflicts can also come up if the lawyer has a personal stake, like a financial interest in a related business or a prior relationship with someone involved in the case. These situations can make it hard for the lawyer to stay neutral and fully advocate for you. To figure out if a conflict exists, lawyers look at a few key points. First, they consider how likely it is that these conflicting interests will come up during the case. Next, they assess if these conflicts could stop them from making fully independent decisions or pursuing all legal options. Lastly, they examine how much their other responsibilities or interests might influence their advice or actions. Most of the time, conflicts caused by material limitations can be managed through informed consent. That means the lawyer explains the risks, and you agree in writing that they can still representing you properly. This consent must be given freely and with full understanding of the situation. As the case moves forward, it's important to keep communication open and update this consent if new conflicts arise. In practical terms, this means avoiding representing multiple clients with conflicting claims without full disclosure. It also involves being cautious about personal interests that could sway judgment, like investments or prior relationships. When in doubt, consulting with ethics experts or legal counsel helps ensure the lawyer stays within professional rules. The rules also apply when dealing with former clients or third parties. Confidentiality and fiduciary duties can limit what a lawyer can do, especially if those duties conflict with current client interests. In the end, a material limitation becomes a conflict of interest when the lawyer's other duties or interests could seriously impair their ability to serve you independently and fully. In personal injury cases, careful management of these situations is key to protecting your rights and maintaining ethical standards.